Vancouver is a major coastal metropolis in southwest British Columbia, Canada. And today, we're counting down 10 must-try dishes from 10 all the way to number 1. Some of these recipes originated centuries ago with the region's Indigenous people. Others arrived with Cantonese families and became local staples. And one legendary dish? It was invented right here by a Japanese chef who wanted to change how the world looks at raw fish. We've got a massive menu ahead, so hit that subscribe button. We've already explored tons of authentic flavors, and there are many more to come. Let us know in the comments, which of these would you order first? 10. Wild Pacific Salmon. Sockeye, Chinook, simply grilled, smoked, or prepared in traditional Indigenous ways. Before the rolls, before the candy, before the planks, this was the starting point. The entire seafood culture of the region still rests on it. 9. Geoduck. The giant local clam with the strange name, usually served as sashimi or in Cantonese preparations. It's pure, briny, and not for everyone. Locals who love it treat it like a quiet flex. 8. Japadog, a Japanese-style hot dog born in Vancouver in 2005. Teriyaki sauce, mayonnaise, nori, bonito flakes. It shouldn't work, it does, and it could only have started here. 7. Bannock, traditional Indigenous bread, baked or fried. It's served with butter and berry jam, piled with smoked salmon, or used as the base for modern dishes at places like Salmon and Bannock. Simple, filling, and still very much alive. 6. Cedar-Plank Salmon, an Indigenous cooking method that never went away. The salmon is roasted or grilled on a plank of cedar. The wood gently smokes the fish while protecting it from direct heat. The result tastes like the forest and the ocean at the same time. 5. Dungeness Crab, the signature crab of the Pacific Northwest. Steamed, served Cantonese style, or simply cracked open with nothing but lemon and butter. It's the kind of seafood that doesn't need much help. 4. Spot prawns, only available for a short window in May and June. Sweet, delicate, and so prized that Vancouver holds a festival just for them. When they're in season, the city pays attention. 3. Candied Salmon, sweet smoked strips of salmon, often finished with brown sugar or maple. It's part Indigenous technique, part West Coast snack culture. You'll find it in markets, gas stations, and high-end restaurants. Somehow it belongs in all of them. 2. The BC Roll, also known as the Tojo Roll, created in 1974 by chef Hidekazu Tojo. He took grilled or smoked salmon, sometimes even the salmon skin, rolled it with cucumber, and made a sushi that Western diners would actually eat. It was never meant to be traditional. It was meant to work, and it became a classic. 1. Dim sum, especially in Richmond. Vancouver has one of the strongest Cantonese dim sum scenes outside of Hong Kong. Fresh local seafood, spot prawns, Dungeness crab, turns up in the dumplings and makes the whole experience feel less like a copy and more like something that could only happen here. What makes these dishes special isn't just the ingredients, it's the collision. Indigenous knowledge, Pacific waters, Cantonese technique, Japanese invention, all of it layered on top of each other in one rainy coastal city. That's Vancouver on a plate.